Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add blur on Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section, this device, via Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, and so on. And here in the center of the screen, you're going to find new project, open from computer, templates, and install Photopea. So right now I'm going to click on new project and then you're going to find this window right here. So right here you can choose a name for your project. Here you can choose the width, the height, DPI, and also the background for your project. Right here you can choose the size of your image. You can choose from social, from print, photo, screen. So I'm going to choose this from screen. I'm going to choose this size, for example. And right now, go ahead and click on create. And once you create your projects, you're going to be right here in this page. So basically, guys, right here, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your image. So right now, I'm going to add an image firstly by clicking on file, open, and then choosing the image from your computer. So I'm going to choose this image, for example. And right here, as you can see, guys, in the left, you're going to find this icon right here. This is the blur tool. Go ahead and click on it, and then you can blur wherever you want on the image. Firstly, you need to select the layer, and then go ahead and blur the place that you want to blur. And then once you finish, you can change or save the changes by clicking on File and then clicking on Save. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.